Yeah, you are welcome to another video of today. We have this example here, this question. Solve its y log base 2, 8 is equal to x, and 2 power x plus 8y is equal to 8,192. So can you solve this? If you can, then that's great. Okay, let us look at how we can maneuver and go to the answer. Let us look at our solution. Now, considering y log base 2, 8 is equal to x. Now, from the laws of logarithms, this is what we have: n log base b a is equal to c. This will give us now n is a number, and it can become a power of a. So it becomes log base b, a power n is equal to c. So now when you go back to y log base 2, 8 is equal to x, now to become log base 2, 8 power y. Then let's continue. So when I have log base b, a power n is equal to c, then that becomes a power n will be equal to b power c. So which implies that this way we shall have 8 power y is equal to 2 power x. Now, our next procedure is to factorize 8. And when we factorize 8, so what we shall get, we shall be able to get 2 power 3y is equal to 2x. So when you look at that table there, factorizing 8 will give us 2 power 3. So that becomes our factorization of 2 power 3x is equal to 2x. So now we are seeing here we have same bases, base 2, base 2. So from the laws of indices, if you have the same bases, then we equate the powers. So this will give us 3y is equal to x. And that brings us to x is equal to 3y, which is the same thing. Now, considering our next equation, which is equation 2, we have 2x. 2 power x plus 8 power y is equal to 8192. So in this, since our list base from the equation is 2, then you have to factorize everything to base 2. So 8192, when you factorize it, we shall be able to get, as you look from the table, we get 2 power 13. That is by factorization. That is what we get. Now let us go back to our equation and we factorize and get the powers. So you have 2 power x plus 2 power 3y. Because when you factorize 8, you get 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power 13 from the number 8192. So when you continue but not up, we said, or we got 3y is equal to x. And this brings us to, by substituting where we have 3y, we shall put there x. So as you are able to see here, where we have that 3y on this equation, we substitute it for x, then we get 2 power x plus 2 power x. Where we have the 3y, we put there x is equal to 2 power 13. So that is what we have now. Mathematically, this brings us to a conclusion that if we have, for instance, we are having x plus x is equal to 2x. So these are the same numbers. We shall just add them and get, open the brackets, 2 power x, close the bracket is equal to 2 power 13. So that is the trick behind. And let's proceed and continue. So now we are having this, we shall divide on both sides by 2. And we cancel the 2, we shall be getting 1, 1. Then, since we are dealing with indices, we shall not cancel, but we shall just continue using the properties or the rules of indices. So 2 power x is equal to 2 power 13 divided by 2 power 1. So whenever we are dividing numbers of the same bases with different powers, of course, we shall subtract the powers as viewed from here. So this is what you have, 13 minus 1, and this brings us to 2 power x is equal to 12, 2 power 12. Now, we said that from the rules of indices, so if we have the same base, then we equate the powers. So our x will be equal to 12. So that is the value of 12. And when we proceed, we shall be able to see that not from the very first time where we began, we have 3y is equal to x. Then we want to get the value of y. So 3y is equal to 12 because we've got x being 12. Then we shall be able now to get the value of y. Then let's divide on both sides by 3. So when you divide by 3, you get 1. By 3 and 12, you get 4. So our y is equal to 4. So that is the value of y. So thank you all for watching. Please continue to like, subscribe, and comment, and view this as we move on. So thank you very much as we ponder and continue the wonderful mathematics, the pure